I would request Amit sir to stay back on stage, and we definitely would like to hear from him.
Thank you, Minal. It was amazing performance. We have seen your performance in offices, and this was altogether different today. So I'm very happy to see such amazing other part of the life where like we know all this Amol and Sonal, Gaurav, Digvijay, and it was I think first time I'm seeing your other side. So good evening everyone. Respected guest, Shri Pradeep Pawar and family, Shri Hemant Kumar family, Shri Nitin Shah and family, my dear colleagues, partners and friends, a very warm welcome. Today, as we celebrate 25th anniversary of EPC Proman Private Limited, recently we changed the name from Parascat Private Limited, I feel deep gratitude. Gratitude for the journey we have shared, the challenges we overcome, and the growth we achieved together. At EPC Proman, we always put our customer first, because when customer success, we grow. Our goal is simple, to build a everlasting relationship with customer, to have more customer and everlasting customer. And growth, finance, money will come as a byproduct. Our aim is to make EPC Proman a company run by professionals, a team of skilled, experienced and dedicated individuals, handpicked, who are expert in their dedicated field. So together we will take EPC Proman to the greater heights. Now I would like to take this opportunity to talk about little bit past, present and future. So in 25 years of journey, a short growth story is, we started in the year 2000 with a simple yet ambitious plan to automate engineering and construction industry. And there we evolved a piping product like Isomec and Autospool, transforming piping spooling work. We heard Monali, who is leading piping spooling head here. But we did not stop here. As we say in Marathi, Thamla to Sampla. If you stop, we are finished. So we keep moving, we keep innovating, and we keep growing. We expanded from piping spooling to piping fabrication, erection management, and construction management. Across all disciplines, project planning, project control, document management, procurement, warehouse, and more. Today, EPC Proman has developed around 25 enterprise-grade products, including our flagship product, eGold ERP, along with our solution like Apex MIS, project planning and control, engineering and material control, procurement and warehouse, and construction management. As poet says, मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके ख्वाबों में जान होती है. मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके ख्वाबों में जान होती है. पंख से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसले से उड़ान होती है. Thank you. Courage, innovation, persistence. This is at the heart of the EPC Proman. So our managing growth, how are we managing growth? So our managing committee. So whatever role you are playing, either in development, in functional, in GUI, database, whatever role you are playing in a company, perform your best, give your full dedication every day. With each of us commit fully, we grow stronger and more closer to our goal, that is customer first. To manage growth, we have a managing committee overseeing finance, sales, marketing, functional development, post-sales and international expansion. At EPC Proman, talent and dedication matter most. Anyone who shows capability and leadership can be a part of this team. This committee guides our strategy, growth, expansion. I encourage everyone to take initiative and be a part of this journey. International expansion. So no company can grow by staying within the boundaries. EPC Proman is now present over 25 countries and contributes to the large-scale project worldwide. Our Middle East operation is strong now. We have established a dedicated office in the Middle East, focusing on Middle East, based in Dubai, focusing on all over the Middle East market and US market. Our vision is clear. EPC Proman should be global leader in end-to-end project management, construction management, and software solution. Physical expansion in Southeast Asia, US, Europe, and other key areas, other key market is next. I am pleased to share a few important updates. As you have heard, Mr. Nitin Pawar is officially appointed as a director and head of the India and Global Operation and head of the Managing Committee. Our company, formerly Parascat Private Limited, is now EPC Proman. This new name reflects the global vision and full scope of solution like EPC Proman, Engineering, Procurement, Construction, Project Management and Control. So this is simple, clear and internationally recognized. So this celebration is all about us. You are the true strength of the company. To our customer and partner, thank you for trusting us. To our employees, thank you for your dedication. To our families and well-wishers, thank you for your support. Together, we have achieved a lot in 25 years, and next years will be even greater with a global expansion, innovation, and stronger EPC Proman family. Let us move forward with the courage and passion. At EPC Proman, this is not enough. There is always more to achieve. So we are moving, we are innovating, we are growing. So as I said, at EPC Proman, we put customer first because when they succeed, we grow. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.